Hey guys, this is Code with Shark. Today we're going to be making my painting simulator. First, let's create a new project. First, we want to delete the cat costumes. And let's first get started with the coding. We need a bunch of variables. First, we need brightness, then we need erase, saturation, size, and then transparency. Now we want to show all our variables except the my variable, and I'm also going to just delete. So let's first start with brightness. I'm gonna get them on. I'm first align them up. There. Now let's start with the coding. My green flag is clicked. We want to hide everything. Hide brightness. Hide color duplicate. Hide saturation. Hide erase. Hide size. Hide transparency. Yep. Next, we need to put in erase all. Then we need a forever. Go to mouse pointer. We need to put in if else. Mouse down. See, when you put in the pen down and then pen up here. And then we're gonna have this if. First we need or. You can press S to open the settings, or and we need two ands first, and not. Mouse down, and you need to X and Y this. When less than, greater than, when you put the X position here and the Y position here, change this to -95 and change this to -86, and then pin up, and then we need all of this. Instead we want to do show show variable, show variable, show variable, show variable, show variable, and finally show variable. And then we need some wait untils. Wait until twice. The first one we need to put in not. Duplicate this. Put that in here and duplicate this and put that right in there. Next, we just need the same thing here. We just do these two things at the top. Boom. And then we need to do forever random focus clicked if erase equals 1, and we want to erase all, and then we want set. The first one is to set pin size to size. And then we need 5 more of these. Change the saturation, the color, brightness, transparency. Actually, we don't need this bottom one. Next, we create a new variable. Paint. I'm going to make a circle as an outline of 10, and fill is nothing, and I'm going to make it 92 by 92. There. And one green flag is clicked. Do you want to show in a forever? We want to set pin size to 75. Pin down, pin up. Then we can drag all of this into there. Then now we just need to make this go to 177x and then 127y. Now we test it, but now it's black and really small. But if we press S, then you can change it, color, saturation, size, transparency, brightness. Oopsies, I need to move this back. But yeah, I forgot you need to change this. Change slider range to maximum value is 1. Try again. And brightness 100, color is 100. Oh, let's see. Why isn't it popping up? Oh. The the transparency is 100. I want some saturation there. And then I want there. I can just fill my whole screen red. And then that is how you make my painting simulator.